Investing can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. It's about putting your money into something with real value. That's where fundamental investing comes in. Understanding the true worth of a company. Forget the fancy jargon and get back to basics. Imagine you're buying a used car. Would you just look at the shiny paint and hand over your money? No, you check the engine, the mileage, the history. Examine a company's financial health before you invest. Don't buy a stock without understanding the business. Look for companies that make products you understand. Start with what you know for smart investments. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on fundamentals for long-term success. In the world of investing, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Fundamental investing empowers you to take control of your financial future. It's about uncovering the true story behind the stock price. You wouldn't buy a house without getting it inspected, right? Similarly, fundamental investing involves examining a company's financial statements and management team. By understanding these aspects, you can make informed decisions. Identify undervalued companies with strong growth potential. Arm yourself with fundamental analysis and take control. Now let's talk about data, the lifeblood of fundamental investing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to understand this. Think of financial data as your compass, guiding you towards sound investments. One of the most important pieces of data is a company's earnings report. This report tells you how much profit a company is making, which is a key indicator of its health. Look for companies with a consistent track record of profitability and earnings growth. Those are the ones that are built to weather any storm. Another important factor to consider is a company's debt level. Just like too much debt can be a burden on an individual, it can also weigh down a company. Look for companies with manageable debt levels, those that are financially sound and less risky. Remember, data is your friend. By taking the time to understand a company's financial performance, you'll be able to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Section 4. The long game, time-tested success. In the world of investing, patience is not only a virtue, it's a winning strategy. Fundamental investing is all about playing the long game, focusing on long-term growth rather than quick profits. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't expect it to grow into a mighty oak overnight, would you? It takes time, care, and patience. Similarly, building a successful investment portfolio takes time and discipline. By investing in fundamentally sound companies and holding on to those investments for the long haul, you're giving your money the opportunity to grow exponentially. This approach allows you to ride out market fluctuations and come out ahead in the end. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making smart choices today that will pay off for years to come. Section 5, hype versus reality, protecting your portfolio. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But when it comes to investing, hype can be dangerous. That's where fundamental investing comes in. It helps you separate the signal from the noise. Think about the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s. Investors were pouring money into internet companies, many of which had no real business model. When the bubble burst, countless investors lost their shirts. Fundamental investing protects you from these kinds of pitfalls. By focusing on a company's underlying value, you can avoid getting swept up in the latest fad or speculative frenzy. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to your principles, trust your gut, and don't be afraid to say no to investments that don't feel right. Your portfolio will thank you for it. Section 6. Your journey to financial freedom, a roadmap. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a savvy investor. Remember, fundamental investing is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously learning, adapting, and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Start by educating yourself, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial news sources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the markets. Next, create a plan and stick to it. Determine your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon. Having a plan will help you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Finally, remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay the course, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. By embracing the principles of fundamental investing, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of financial success. You got this.